After 20 months of the pandemic and many quiet celebrations, many Canadians are excited to gather for the holidays. But experts warn the pandemic isn't over yet. Around 15% of Canadians over 12 are still not vaccinated.
Some people can carry the virus and spread it even if they've been vaccinated.
Immunology professor Don Bodish says we can gather over the holidays. We just have to be mindful.
Some of our beloved elders are not going to be fully protected, and some of our children can't be vaccinated. So mixing those kind of groups is going to be a little bit more risky and dangerous.
An Ipsos poll done exclusively for Global News finds 29% of Canadians say they will only gather with people within their households. 33% plan to associate freely with people outside of their immediate families, and 38% will find a middle ground. For those planning to mingle with mixed groups, Bodish recommends gathering outdoors in areas with lots of ventilation or with masks. But if you're with people who are fully vaccinated and aren't immunocompromised,
probably safe for vaccinated people to socialize indoors.
Etiquette expert Jessica LaRusso says handling vaccine status of your guest may seem complicated, but it doesn't have to be.
You should be able to have an open conversation with them.
She recommends saying something like,
I'm having a get-together with all our vaccinated friends and family. Are you able to come? So that gives the person an out, whether if they're unvaccinated but don't want to say.
If you still wish to include your unvaccinated guests,
set up your camera for a live Zoom call.
Or accommodate them with safety measures.
You want them to do certain things. Say that ahead of time, a place for them to be, have masks, have whatever you need at your party or engagement so that they feel comfortable.
And if you're at the other end of the situation,
phone your host, phone your hostess to ask them what kind of party they're having. And if you're not comfortable, you can say no.
She says vaccine statuses don't have to be intimidating. Just like the pandemic, they're also a part of our reality. Sharmeen Somani, Global News.